Uh, Hi all. I came across Acekube while I was actively looking for a SAFe certification, specifically focusing on product management and product owner, as my current role is to manage a team of product owner. And through SAFe Agile website, Acekube was a highly recommended trainer, and they were pretty responsive, and they were very detail oriented in emails, and every single question that I requested to clarify before I even purchase and sign up for this course was nicely articulated. And on top of that, they do have their sign up discounts as well. And on top of that, if you're directly focusing on some specific courses, they do give you extra discounts. And also they're very flexible to accommodate your schedule, either in weekdays or weekends. And through that, they also give you a heads up that 2 days before the course, all the links will be provided through Zoom. And I had no issues logging in. And the facilitator was Harsh Kumar Sherbat. He's a very well experienced practitioner and also a coach. His modulation and the way this course is being conducted is in a very matured and in a very practical manner. The best thing is, as a development manager and a product manager, he was able to connect with my issues, and every single slides that was going through from for the lesson 1 all the way to lesson 6 was very well conducted, and he was able to pinpoint all my issues. And as I mentioned earlier, we can connect. And the fact that I could interpret all the slides as per my understanding was also clarified. And the best part was I was bringing in SAFe mindset without even being trained. So he clearly knew where my weaknesses was. So he was able to pull me back to the course, so that it's more content oriented for the SAFe Agile framework as a PO and a PM, and not more towards technical, which a common mistake any student or a candidate would make. So that part I really appreciated him, and he walked us through the step-by-step items for the exams as well, and he's ready to connect 24/7. And with that, I would really thank Acekube for being a very well trusted partner of SAFe, and keep on continuing to the needful to get us certified to the right way. Thank you.